Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox chat not working problem. So the message in the chat setting prevents you from sending messages. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. Open up Roblox, click on the three dot icon over here. Now click on the settings. Now click on the security. In here you just need to click on the privacy. In privacy settings, account restrictions, you just need to turn it off guys. After doing it, scroll down. The communication, you just need to select custom. Who can message me? Click on the drop down and select everyone. Who can text chat with me in app? You just need to select friends. Who can text chat with me? You just need to select everyone. After selecting these changes, the save changes will be successfully changed. You just need to close it off here. Now check your problem resolved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys, and you can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.